Okay, I'm just making a quick video about my iguanas. One more. Snowball. Look at Snowball. Remember the family. No, Snowball, no fight. Well, I have another iguana. He's 3.5 feet. And named him. Well, the church named him Iggy, but I don't really like that name, so I'm gonna change it. About my other iguana, I wanted you to see if you guys can make, let me see what names I can name him. It's a pretty cool name. See, he wants to go outside now. Hold on 1 second. Come here, Shoma. Go outside. Go outside. Come on. Oh, he don't want to go outside when he needs to. Remember, it was awful? Now look it. Good Snowball. Okay. Don't you dare, Iggy. He's always laying on that rock. I need to get him a heat lamp. Yep, so you're trying to jump. Can't get out of that. Cage is that big. Rule number 1 about these iguanas, do not leave them out in the cold. My friend did that, and rest in peace. I don't want to say his name, but it's sad. He left it on and it died on a stick. It's sad. Well, comment and subscribe. Please.